Welcome to a brand new series. It's called Content on the Move. Well, I can't be in the studio at all times. We're out and about. Today, we're actually traveling from Jalandhar to Chandigarh at the moment to catch a flight to Goa, where we have an event that's happening soon. It's been an interesting time during the COVID, the 2 years that we were in the office. We created a lot of content. You must be familiar with the backdrop, etc. And now you will see a lot of content while on the move. My intention is to keep in touch with you while we're out and about. So here goes. This is the question that came in was about introversion, about a young person who feels that he's an introvert, and whether I can suggest ways to overcome that. So to my young friend, first of all, being an introvert, there's nothing wrong with you, right? Don't treat it like a disease that needs to be rectified, or that needs to be healed. You're fine. You just need to strengthen your muscle of reaching out and connecting to other people. And that's all this video is going to be about. I feel one of the most powerful things any human being can do for themselves is to discover their voice, is to find their voice and develop the ability to express their ideas to other people in a way that they feel that they are heard, that they are understood. No point bottling it up all inside. And I'm sure, just like our young friend who has asked this question, all of you also have wonderful ideas inside you. So if you too would like to discover your voice and find your voice and express your ideas, this video is for you. So a couple of things in order for you to grow and strengthen your muscle of expression and sharing with other people. Number one, visualize yourself having meaningful conversations. Visualization is the most powerful tool you can use in order to create anything in your life. And I use it a lot. So visualize yourself every day having meaningful conversations with other people in which you're comfortable, in which you are at ease, in which you are being yourself, and you're still connecting, you're still reaching out. Number two, discover the root cause of why you might not feel comfortable connecting with other people. Is it maybe a lack of self-esteem that comes from childhood? Is it you feel that you're wasting the time of other people? Is it some mental block? Is it the fear of rejection? Identify the root cause of what is preventing you from connecting with other people, and just try to tackle and attack that root cause. Most likely, in all likelihood, it is a false belief. So I give you a 30-day plan. I give you a simple 30-day plan in order to improve your ability to connect with other people. Number one, make one phone call every day. One phone call every day. Open your phone, open the contact list, the address book, and just randomly reach out to people. Say, I just called to say hello, how are things with you, right? One phone call per day, that's number one. Number two, talk to one stranger per day, all right? One stranger per day for the next 30 days. I don't care if it's at the gym, at a restaurant, in a parking lot. Now, don't freak people out, but as much as possible, talk to a stranger every day. Number three, do a 10 minutes visualization exercise every day. Visualize yourself connecting with other people at ease, enjoying the conversation, and do it for 10 minutes every day. And one very powerful thing is, for 10 minutes every day, do the I am enough meditation. This comes from Marissa Peer, who created this affirmation called I am enough. Do the I am enough affirmation, because a lot of the times people feel that they're not enough, and that prevents them from connecting with other people. So 4 things for your 30-day action plan. I repeat once again. Reach out, call one person a day. Have maybe the people that you already know. Number 2, try to start a conversation with a stranger every day, next 30 days. Number 3, practice visualization for 10 minutes every day. Imagining yourself, visualizing yourself, being a social person, connecting effortlessly. And finally, do a 10 minutes I am enough meditation, in which remind yourself of the good things about you, about your strengths, about all the wonderful ideas that you have, about your value. If you don't value yourself, other people won't. Simple, short plan, actionable takeaways I've shared with you here, and I hope you will make the very best of them. Stay tuned for more. Take care. Bye for now.